Hello students, this is our 8th lecture for lesson number 6, superposition of wave of 12th standard as per new syllabus of Maharashtra State Board. At last lecture, we had studied about the study of vibration of air column in a pipe closed at one end. Now we are going to study the vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. For that, we have considered here pipe open at both ends. Consider a pipe open at both ends containing the air column. When vibrating tuning fork is held over the mouth of the pipe, like here, suppose here vibrating tuning fork is held, then longitudinal waves travel through the air column inside the tube. Due to interference between incident wave and reflected wave, longitudinal stationary waves form in the air column. Air molecules near both ends are free to vibrate with maximum amplitude, due to which antinode A will be formed at open ends and the node N will be formed inside the tube. The different modes of vibration of air column are getting here. This is the fundamental mode of vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. When air column is vibrating with the formation of two antinodes, this is the formation of two antinodes, and inside the and one node inside the tube is known as fundamental mode of vibration. This is the fundamental mode of vibration. So for that fundamental mode of vibration, here we have to find out the fundamental frequency of fundamental mode of vibration. We know that, or from that diagram we have seen that L is equals to lambda by 2. That's why here lambda is equals to twice L. And again we have take the equation for velocity of sound, that is V is equals to N lambda. Therefore N is equals to V upon lambda. From this equation we know that lambda is equals to twice L. Therefore we have getting N is equals to V upon 2L. That is the equation for fundamental frequency of vibration of air column. This is the equation for fundamental frequency. Then we have seen that here for second mode or first overtone, this is for second mode or first overtone. When air column is vibrating with the formation of three antinode and two nodes, there is the formation of three antinodes and two nodes, is called as the second harmonics, or it is also called as first overtone. This is the condition for second harmonic or first overtone. Here we have seen that this is the length is equals to lambda, because this is the one loop, and this one and this one half loop makes again one loop. That means there is the two loop is formed here. That's why, and one loop, this one loop having wavelength lambda by 2. That's why here two loop having length lambda. That's why L is equals to lambda. This is the one loop and this half loop and half loop makes two loop here. That's why here length is equal to lambda. So here again we have to find out frequency of first overtone or second harmonic. This is fundamental frequency. N is equals to V upon twice L. I forget that this is fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Now we have solved condition for second harmonic or first overtone. From that diagram we have said that L is equals to lambda 1. And again we have used that equation V is equals to N1 lambda 1 is therefore N1 is equals to V upon lambda 1. Therefore N1 is equals to V upon L. That is the equation for second harmonic or first overtone. But suppose we have considered that here multiply and divide this equation by 2. Multiply and divide this equation by 2, that is 2 by 2 into V by L. That's why we have taken that 2 into V upon 2L, and V upon twice L is the fundamental frequency or first overtone. That means by using that equation we can say that N1 is equals to 2N. That is the equation number 3. This is N1 is equals to 2N. N, because N is equals to V upon twice L. From that equation we can say that this is the equation for second harmonic, or it is also called as first overtone. Then next we have solve here equation for third mode or second overtone. Third mode or second overtone. Third mode means third harmonic also. Here we have seen that when air column is vibrating with the formation of 4 antinode, here formation of 4 antinode and 3 node is the third harmonic. Formation of 4 antinode and 3 node, that is the condition for third harmonic. Again we can say that we can here see that here 1 loop, 2 loop and 3 loop are formed. 1 loop, 2 loop, and that half loop makes, that half and half loop makes 1 loop. That means 1, 2 and 3 loop. 3 loop and 1 loop having length lambda by 2, lambda by 2 and lambda by 2. That means there is length is equal to 3 lambda by 2. 1 loop having length lambda by 2. This 1 loop having also length lambda by 2, and this 2 half loop makes 1 loop, that is also 3. That means 1 lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2 and 3 lambda by 2. That's why here length of vibrating column L is equals to 3 lambda by 2. Here we have to find out the frequency for that third harmonic. That is L is equals to 3 lambda 2 by 2. Therefore, lambda 2 is equals to twice L upon 3. Again we have take same equation, V is equals to N2 lambda 2. Therefore, N2 is equals to V upon lambda 2. Therefore, N2 is equals to V upon lambda 2 twice L upon 3. Therefore, N2 is equals to 3V upon twice L. Therefore, N2 is equals to 3 into V upon twice L. This is equation number 3, and we know that from equation number 1 we have solved that. From equation number 1 we have solved that N is equal to V upon twice L. That's why we can say that N2 is equals to 3 into N. N2 is equals to 3 into N. This is the frequency of third harmonic or second overtone. This is the equation for third harmonic or second overtone. So see here carefully, N is equals to V upon twice L. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Then N1 is equals to twice N. This is second harmonic or first overtone. And N2 is equals to 3N, that is third harmonic or second overtone. From these three equations we can say that N1 as to N2 as to N3 is equals to 1 as to 2 as to 3. That means we can conclude that in a pipe open at both ends, all harmonics are present. In pipe close at one end, only odd harmonics are present. But here all harmonics are present, that is even as well as odd harmonics. 1, 2, 3, that all harmonics are present here. And whenever we have to find out the frequency of pith overtone, if we have to find out the frequency of pith overtone, we have used the formula Np is equals to P plus 1 into N, or Np is equals to P plus 1 into V upon twice L. This is the formula for pith overtone. Okay. So here we have to completed that topic. Whenever pipe open at both ends, we have to find out the natural frequency and first overtone and second overtone frequency for pipe open at both ends. Thank you, friends.